Welcome to instructional videos. Today we are going to set up the value bag toss. So first thing you want to do is make sure you unlatch both sides so you have your two pieces. So I'm going to unlatch the top and I'm going to flip it over and unlatch the other side. Now I have both pieces of my bag toss. So what I'm going to do is flip over one piece, and I'm going to take the handle and push it in. Next thing I'm going to do is connect my legs. So to connect the legs, you want to attach the flat side into the back of the display, and you want to make sure that the numbers are facing out. And then I'm going to remove the bean bags and set them off to the side. And I'm just going to flip over my bag toss. And I'm going to repeat these steps for the other bag toss. And it's just that easy to set up your value bag toss.